Vinegar bites. It's impossible to eat just one. Here in my bowl, I'm going to add 1 whole egg, fresh and at room temperature. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, along with 3 tablespoons of garlic vinegar, which enhances the flavor and helps activate the leavening. Using a hand whisk, I'll mix these 3 ingredients very well. Now, I incorporate 4 tablespoons of sugar, along with a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix very well until the mixture is smooth, lump-free, and fully combined. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, little by little to avoid clumping the dough. I'm using non-self-rising flour, which is ideal to better control the texture. I add it in parts to make mixing easier and prevent the dough from becoming too heavy all at once. Using a spatula, I begin to mix everything slowly until the dough starts to come together. I add the remaining flour while continuing to mix, and I keep stirring patiently until the dough reaches the perfect consistency. If in your case the dough is still a bit soft, you can keep adding more flour, but always gradually until you get a firm, moldable dough. I've mixed it well, and now my dough is ready to be shaped. Now I transfer it to the board and take a portion with my hands. I gently roll it on the board to form a long, even cylinder. Using a knife, I cut pieces of equal size. Take one piece and, using the palms of my hands, I shape it into a round, smooth, and compact ball. It's really easy to make, and the result is totally worth it. I place this ball to the side on the board and repeat the same process. And here I already have all my balls perfectly shaped. Now I take them to the pan, where the oil is already nice and hot. I added the oil earlier so it would reach the ideal temperature. It's at the perfect point to start frying without burning. Now I turn them over with the help of a slotted spoon to properly brown the lighter side and ensure even frying. You need to leave them just long enough so they're not raw on the inside. I carefully remove the balls from the hot oil. They look delicious and have an aroma that instantly makes you hungry. In another bowl, I have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and I'm going to add about 1 heaping tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Mix the cinnamon with the sugar very well until fully combined. Now I sprinkle this mixture over the golden balls, so they absorb the flavor and become even tastier. You can also roll each one separately in the cinnamon sugar mixture. I've finished coating them with the flavored sugar. Now I remove the excess left on top and place all the ready balls on this serving plate. Let's open one and look how wonderful it is. Inside, it's perfectly soft,